Use code SMARTCOOKIE in the item shop.
Aw, dude, half a gray is underwater. Look at this water. What is going on with this water? It's like, it's musty. Did I really just say water is musty? This water's musty, dude. Holy, I'm about to get pickaxed. Holy, a scar? Bet. Give me your mask, please. Got my shotgun! I dropped my shotgun! Dude. I need to gather mats. Yo, I'm cracked, dog. Get out of my lobby, dude. I hate myself for saying that. Especially the rest of Salty's unlooted. I'm gonna go check. He has a drum gun. How did this? Oh, what is this? What are these? This. It's a glider redeploy gun, dude. Yo. That's fine. I'm finna be Spider-Man, watch. Oh wait, what? Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Can we get an F in the chat for my my boy Risky, bro? He completely underwater. He didn't deserve this, but he got it. What the f— Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought I was on controller. I lasered this dude, like lasered him with the Tommy gun. Oh, it works on water? Dude, why does this take forever? Imagine you can upgrade your own gun. Ah. I'm in circle. Somebody sniping behind me. Oh, the cat area. Holy dude, he wasn't ready for it. Wow, what a fun and engaging game. Oh, what the? I'm not gonna question why there's a bunch of loot here. I'm just gonna take it and walk away. I feel like people are hiding. Which is what I'm about to do until final. Look, we're gonna do this. And just wait. Oh, I have a launch, dude. No way I lose this game. Unless I'm a bot, which I am, so I'm probably gonna lose the game. Of course it's gonna be in the water, dude. I'm bad at this game. I swear I'm not a sellout. Somebody's all the way on the look. There's a fire. Oh, now's my time. Third party. No. Oh, I told you guys, I'm bad. Dude. This man will not. Oh, yes. Dude, I won. Oh, dude. I won. Yo, Poggers, boys. Poggers. First season 3 win. I won in the stupidest way, but I still won. You know, guys, sometimes I wonder what goes through my head when I win a Fortnite game. To do the ninja pon, I don't know, guys. Sometimes I just wonder what goes through my mind when I do these type of cringy type stuff. I think I need help. Oh, bet. Dude, you don't understand. My heart was... Dude. My hand's shaking. My hand is shaking. Before the video ends, if you want to watch these moments happen live, come join me at twitch.tv/smartcookiestreams. I've been trying to stream every day. It just depends on the time of day that I'm streaming because with my work schedule and everything. But yeah, come check me out. Twitch.tv/smartcookiestreams. It's a lot of fun. And peace, boys.